Oh, who's over there? Oh, it's Diamond Fuzzy. Well, yes, it is me. Hello, Diamonds, and welcome back to another video of mine. Today, the new April update has come to Jamaa, and we're just going to check it out and see what y'all think of it. So, let's just get started.
I don't believe in ghosts.
Alrighty, Diamonds, I've just logged in and we are going to get on the game. Oh, what the? Okay, weird. We're just gonna go get on the game in just a second. Alrighty, Diamonds, it looks to be raining, so that's most likely a new thing that's happening in this April update. Let's go check it out right now. So we're just going to head to the Exploratorium and see what's new there. So the first thing I noticed is the architecture on the ground, which is incredibly amazing because with an artist, it's very fun to see architect around Jamaa, and these are full with lots of facts. So now let's go check out the Maine Coon cats. So today I won't be getting the bundle. I think the outfits are a little odd for me, and I'll still be getting the Maine Coon cat though. Alrighty, just to say, we only went over a couple things in the update. Please go check out more on AJPW, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye, Diamonds.